Nobody said happy birthday. Not Mom and not Dad. How could they forget? The sun is shining so bright, but inside I feel like it's raining everywhere. Ice cream always makes me happy. But today, even sweet chocolate sounds kind of sad. Today is finally my 10th birthday. I can't wait to see what Mom made for breakfast.
Look at the calendar. It's August 10th, my most favorite day of the whole year.
Good morning, world. Today is going to be the absolute best day ever. Dad, are you ready for the big special day?
Good morning, Mike. Hurry up and finish your oatmeal, or you will miss the school bus.
Wait a minute. Mom, do you know what special day today is?
It's Tuesday, honey. Here is your lunchbox. Make sure you don't forget your jacket.
Tuesday? Is that really all today means to you? Just a regular Tuesday?
Bye, everyone. I have an extremely important early meeting at the office today. See you later.
Work is super busy today, Mike. Don't be late for your bus. Have a good day.
Dad didn't say it either. Did he really just forget my birthday too? Nobody said happy birthday. Not Mom and not Dad. How could they forget? Maybe my best friend Ben will remember. He never forgets anything important. Here comes the bus. I really hope Ben has a big smile for me today. Hey, Mike! Hurry up and get in. Did you do the math homework for today? Hey, Ben. Before we talk about homework, do you know what day is today?
Yeah, it's Tuesday. We have that big science quiz during third period, remember? Oh, right, the science quiz. I thought maybe you remembered something else.
Look at that funny dog running over there. Today is gonna be so boring at school. We are at school now. Let's get off before the hallway gets super crowded. Everyone is talking about tests and games. Nobody knows it's my special day. I feel completely invisible today. It's like my birthday doesn't even exist to anyone.
You, everyone is singing so loudly and having so much fun.
Look how happy he is. His friends remembered. His family probably gave him huge presents. Come on, Mike, sit down. Teacher is about to start the morning history lesson. Okay, Ben. I'm sitting down. I just feel really sad right now.
Just a small cake drawing for myself. Happy birthday to me, I guess.
Lunchtime is usually my favorite part of school, but today I am not hungry.
Let's see what Mom packed. Just an ordinary sandwich and a red apple.
Not even a little tiny card or a cute note from Mom. She really forgot.
Are you gonna eat your apple, Mike? You haven't said a word all lunch period. You can have it, Ben. I just have a heavy feeling in my stomach today. Look at everyone playing tag and basketball. I just want to sit on this bench. The sun is shining so bright, but inside I feel like it's raining everywhere.
It's already 2 o'clock. Half of my birthday is already gone forever.
Hey, Mike! Come play kickball with us. We need one more player for our team.
Thanks, Ben, but I think I'll just sit here until the bell rings for afternoon class. I don't even want to go home. The house will probably be completely empty. Maybe I should buy myself a scoop of chocolate ice cream to feel better. Ice cream always makes me happy. But today, even sweet chocolate sounds kind of sad. Oh no, I don't even have enough money for one single scoop. Great.
I guess I will just walk straight home now. Nothing is going right today.
The sidewalk is so quiet. My whole 10th birthday was just an ordinary, boring day.
Kick, kick. Every year before this, Mom made pancakes and Dad brought shiny balloons.
Here is my house. All the front blinds are closed tight. It looks completely dark.
Let's see if anyone is inside. I bet Mom is still out doing grocery shopping.
Hello? Is anybody home? Wow, it is really dark and quiet in here. Mom? Dad? No one answered me. They must be out running errands or working.
My backpack feels so heavy, just like my heart right now. I am so tired.
I'll just go sit in the backyard for a while and look at the sky. Maybe fresh air will make me stop feeling like crying on my own birthday. Wait, what is happening? The lights just turned on everywhere. Look at that.
Surprise!
Happy 10th birthday, Mike! We all love you so much.
What? Everyone is here. Mom, Dad, Ben, my teacher, and all my neighbors.
Happy birthday, my sweet boy! Did you really think your mom would ever forget you?
We had to pretend all morning so we could set up the biggest surprise picnic ever.
I thought you completely forgot. I was so sad all day long at school. Happy birthday, best friend! I had to act so sneaky on the bus today.
Sorry I lied about the science quiz. It was all part of the big secret plan.
Look at this giant picnic table. There are so many presents and delicious food everywhere.
Here comes the birthday cake. Make a big wish before you blow out the candles.
Wow, 10 glowing candles. This is the most beautiful cake I have ever seen. I wish that my family and friends stay this happy and loving forever and ever. Whoosh! I blew them all out in one try. Hooray for my 10th birthday!
Happy birthday, Mike!
Cheers to the best 10-year-old in the world!
Who wants delicious ice cream to go with this amazing chocolate birthday cake?
This cake is so delicious. Today turned out to be the absolute best day.
Everyone is having so much fun playing games and laughing together under the lights.
A new bicycle? Oh my goodness, Dad. This is the exact bike I wanted.
You earned it, buddy. You're 10 now, ready for big new adventures in the neighborhood.
Seeing that big smile on your face makes all the secret planning totally worth it. The sky looks so beautiful with all these colorful party lights hanging from the trees.
Thank you so much, Mom and Dad. I am the luckiest kid in the whole world. I learned something really, really important today when I thought everyone had forgotten about me.
Sometimes the biggest surprises in life begin with the biggest misunderstandings.
Everyone say cheese for the giant 10th birthday group picture. Cheese!
Flash. A perfect memory captured forever on this wonderful, unforgettable day. Never doubt the love of your family and friends. Today was truly magical.